Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss the continuation topic of the electropolitics. Continuation topic of the electropolitics. In that previously we thought regarding the reserved constituencies. Up to till we ended the topic. I hope you understood very well regarding the topic. If any doubts, you can call to my number. If any suggestions or doubts or regarding any information, you can call to me. And next we are going to discuss today continuation topic about the voter list. So who are these voters, what they will do. So voters are nothing but who were used to participate in the election. The key role of voters is main. If majority of people were participate in elections, what will happen means they can choose a perfect government. Perfect government. In a democracy country, we are given an opportunity for the people who are participating in the elections by using of his vote through votes. So regarding what is the age limit of this voter list, and already we discussed previous topic regarding to the amendment of 19 in the year of 1988 through the 61 amendment. 21 years of age were reduced to 18 years, that is called as universal adult franchise. Due to that 18 years persons who can participate in voting, okay, in voting to elect the representatives of them, instead of them. And we are coming to, we will discuss regarding in this voter list any variation regarding we are coming to the above coming to the rich people, poor people, according to the educated or uneducated, any variations will be there, or it may be any cost like that, and while applying it may be any cost for the voter list. So how we want to apply it? After applying, who will come and who will verify? After that, how we will get the ID card? We will discuss regarding the voter list in the topic. And next one, we will know about the nomination of the candidates. So nomination of the candidates is also most important. The person who is participating in election, contesting in elections, compulsory must be crossed according to the age limit. Some age limit will be given for the Lok Sabha and as well as for the Vidhana Sabha. As well as for the Vidhana, some age limits will be given and voters age limits will be given. You will coming to hear what these candidates want to show. They want to be genuine, they want to secure some deposit of amount, they want to secure. At the same time, one form will be there, B form. So while coming to here, while writing in that form, he have to mention everything regarding his family members, children's and his properties, regarding the assets and liabilities. Okay, assets and liabilities, everything he want to mention in the B form. So and regarding to the party, recognized party by them, they will go and they will submit in that constituency. Regarding his constituency, at that he will go and he will submit to the chief election commissioner of that particular district, or while coming to particular officer will be there, he will go and he will submit regarding the documents, everything. So regarding election campaigning, we will discuss about the election. So after completing of nomination, some withdrawal also will be there. At last day it will be there. So who is at last final day, they will come with conclusion. So this members, okay, nearly 100 or 20 or 30 or members were participating in the election, like that they were used to announce, and later they will go for the election campaigning. Nothing but public discussion, open debate. We can say the open debate. They can go into the public and they can discuss on the various issues, and they may promise for their government policies. So regarding some certain promises they will give, and they may try to make the people happy, like that they will discuss in the election campaigning. We are going to discuss now topic. So in this we are coming to the voter list. So voter list, what is voter list? What is the voter list? We are coming to here, in voter list, especially universal adult franchise. Already we said why it universal adult franchise. The person who will cross the age of 18 years, they can enroll for the right to vote. Enroll for the right to vote. Already starting only we said that in our country, in a democratic country, in our country, everyone should have an equal vote. How many vote means? Only one vote. Okay, now only one vote. Sir, I will take 3 or 4 votes means no. Only one vote will be there. So we can vote for one. Each vote will give each value, equal value. Each vote will give equal value. This is the most important. So in a democratic country, everyone should have an equal one vote. So equal vote, each vote will give an equal value. So regarding this, what happened means the person who will cross of 18 years. Before that, what happened means in 1988 up to 21 years were there for the voting in our country. So regarding the 1988 up to there. So later what happened through the 61 amendment, Rajiv Gandhi government were reduced to the 18 years for the voting. So like this, any variations will be there. Means in the persons who were used to applying for the voting, there is no such education qualification, or whether he may be rich, okay na, or either he may be poor, or the below average or above average persons, whether he is educated some PG, PhD, or he is not literacy, he is not at all literacy also no problem. Also no problem. Why? Because here they can go and they can apply in the election site. One website will be there, Election Commission of India. In that enrollment of the voter ID, once you open, you can go for the online smartphones or laptops or YouTubes or some other any computers. You just open Election Commission of India. In that enrollment of voter IDs, so they will ask you regarding enrollment. At that time, age proof is important. No, for that purpose they will ask you your Aadhaar card and your SSC memo. I mean 10th class memo. In that the dates will be mentioned, date of birth. So according to that, they will again that EC Election Commission will be sent to the particular district of Mandal Tahsildar office. The village revenue will come and they will inquire everything, whether you are residing here or not, how many years you are residing in particular area. So like that he will verify and again he will give the report to the Election Commission. So Election Commission, it will generate an ID and it will be given. You can take a printout from the computer. So like this what happened means the Election Commission will be provided a photo identity card. So photo identity card is nothing but like this, the Election Commission were used to introduce here a photo identity card. See here my photo is there, and at the same time here see Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India, one bar is there. At the same time here YCL, some code number is given, and regarding my name, father name, and backside here they will mention our address, and at the same time this which constituency I am belonging also mentioned here. So I am belonging to the 110 Pinapaka constituency. Like this 110 Pinapaka constituency. Like this how many means in Telangana we are having 119 constituency, no? Like 110 constituency. Okay, in 110th constituency I am the person. So this is, if they will click here means everything will be given in the voter ID. This is the voter ID which will be mentioned by the Election Commission of India in the website. After all inquiries it will be given for us. So this is Election Commission of India ID. So like this here the Election Commission will play a key role in introducing of the election photo card, introducing of the election photo identity card. So like this we will get an Election Commission. Later what will happen, at the same time one list will be there. Okay na, in every area Anganwadi workers, teachers will be there. So what they will do, the list will come to the teachers. Again the Anganwadi area teachers, they will go and they will verify whether the person is there or not here. So like that they will verify, and during election time they will give one sheet for us. Okay na, they will give one one voter list. In that voter list we are there. So like that they will give one polling booth number. So in particular school is going to election, going to held. So you go and show this sheet, directly you will go, you will enter and you can participate in the election. So if possible, when our school will start, we will conduct a mock election also. So we will conduct a mock election. How these elections will be conducted, that also we will do in our school when school will reopens. So coming to, then at that time you will get total identity. Okay na? At the same time we will discuss regarding mock parliament also. mock parliament also will go to hell when school will be opens. So like this here this is about the voter list. Okay now, voter list is nothing but for the person who were used to get an identity. So the person who will cross the age of 18 years, he will apply for the election commission to right to get and vote. For that universal adult franchise will given. The person who will cross the age of 18 years will have an right to vote. That is known as the universal adult person. Like this everyone will get an equal vote, equal one vote. So each vote will give an equal value, equal priority, equal value. Like this there is no variation among the rich, or there is no variation among the gender biases regarding the male or female. Or coming to the old age, you are the old person, you must not participate in the election. There is no age and there is no certain limit also for the old person. Who will cross 100 also, they will come and they can vote also. They can vote also. Like this here there is no variation among the rich, among the poor, among the educated and uneducated. There is no variation among the literacy and illiterate people, and there is no disease difference or any other difference, or you are the particular sector, you are from the particular religion, or you are from particular caste, or you are from the particular particular place, like that it won't be there. So the person who will get, first of all, the person who will get an election ID card, the person who will get an election ID card, they will participate in the election. If there is no election ID card, they won't participate in the election. Why? Because compulsory everything they will look after, only they will make us to enter in the polling booth. In that we will discuss in polling booth how thing will be there, how returning officer will be there, what he will do, okay na, and how agents will be there, what they will do, we will see. And next one, nomination of the candidates. Nomination of the candidates. The person who are participating in the elections. So nomination. Well, coming to independent means no problem. It's not a big issue. For suppose I am there. If I am contesting in election or participating in election, so I am from independent party, some independent party. So what will happen means at the time I were used to participate in the election, independent candidate. So at that time no recognition for me. No, some party, some other party, like we can take example like ADMK, okay, or DMK, or we can take like Congress, BJP. Like no parties are for me. Independently I am participating. But election commission will give a symbol to me. Okay, some certain symbol it will give. So at that time what will happen means I will go into the people and I will say about myself. I will introduce about myself, and I used to criticize the government also. And I will make a promise to the people, and I used to develop the area or constituency, like that I used to give promise according to the independent candidate. But while coming to the persons who were nominating by the political parties, political parties means lot of political parties are there. According to the election commission, nearly 750 political parties are there in our country. So like this the political parties were used to nominate. So regarding nominates, they will have, the candidates will be given some symbols. So Congress symbol is okay na, and BJP symbol lotus. So like that different type of symbols will be given. Example, I am saying the symbol. So what will happen, the person who are representing from the political party, he will be given a great support from that parties. Okay na. So what will happen in my area, from TRS, Telangana Rashtra Samiti is there. That is a symbol is car. So people will know. Why symbol is given, sir, means one thing is there. Why? Because illiterate peoples are there. So they don't know about our education, no. So they can identify with the symbols. For that purpose, what will happen means election campaigning, they will say that symbols. They will go and they will say towards the people, vote to me. My symbol is like a hand, or my symbol is like a elephant, BSP party, like that. Or my symbol is like a fan, YSR party. Okay, like that different names they were used to give symbols. So people were used to recognize the symbols and okay, this is particular party. Okay, so people at that time manifesto, they will introduce a manifesto. In that manifesto, what they will do means they will mention everything clearly regarding the government policies, what they are used to announce. or they are going to announce like that. So if people may believe that, okay, they will give an opportunity for particular government. So who will win with majority, they will form the government. So like this, what happened means some age limit was given. The person who were, the nomination of the person age is 25 years. The person who is participating towards to the Lok Sabha or the person who is participating towards to the Vidhana Sabha, minimum qualification is the 25 years. For Raj Sabha, 30 years. For Raj Sabha, 30 years. For President, 35 years. For President, Vice President, 35 years. Like this, the persons who were participating in the election, definitely the age will be 25 years. And voter age will be how much? 18 years. So political parties were used to nominate. The political parties who were to nominate. The political parties who were used to nominate the candidates by giving the party symbol and great support to them to win in the election. So party will give the person who were representing by the party nomination, so they will call it as the party ticket. They will give as a party ticket. Party ticket means nothing but I am representing from the DMK party or example or from Anna DMK party. They will give a ticket for me. Okay, now it will be known as the party ticket. So like this, from the Congress or BJP, the party nomination, they used to give the ticket. And the persons who were used to nominating. So I Nagaraju from one party, okay, nominating. So like this, what I want to mention everything. So especially I want to deposit some amount like 10,000 according to the election commission. Regarding to the elections wise, they will decide some amount, depositing of 10,000 or 25,000, like they will used to deposit to the government. And the person who were participating in election, he must not have any criminal records. You don't want to be mention any criminal records. So any case pending. So criminal records case pending against the candidates. So the person who were contesting elections, any criminal case pending means definitely he want to mention that one also. If whether he will if he will mention that he don't have any criminal case, later he will win, and after that some criminal cases is founded means at that time he will be removed from that particular department. I mean particular seat anamata. Okay, so like this here definitely while you have to mention this, all you want to mention, and you want to say about detailedly about his assets and liabilities regarding his income, how much, so how much property is there, and at the same time how much loan is also there, like that you want to mention. Okay, now so see some people will mention very genuinely, some people cannot mention the genuine, you cannot mention genuine, but because when means in 2014 elections, at that time Rahul Gandhi, he mentioned his asset amount only 10 lakhs. So see, for him only 10 lakhs is there, and some other reasons he showed, but this is not correct. But at the same time, election commission also want to take particular things in point. Okay, and this is, I am not criticizing, but I am saying about regarding the things what we have to mention. So here coming to education qualification of the candidates. So education qualification is not clearly mentioned more. This much of education is needed. They did not mention clearly. But education qualifications will be there means good. But first thing what they will do, okay, whether he is having social service or not, whether he did social service to the people or not, like that they were used to mention. Here this is education qualification. Now see cricket team, for example cricket in India. So whether they will mention that compulsory you want to degree or PG, then only entrance will be in cricket. No, skills of cricket, when you know the playing of the cricket, automatically he will be the player. Like this in elections also, while coming to the forming the panel who's representing for elections, whether having some knowledge regarding the public, doing service to the public without expecting something. So like this, some education qualification. But nowadays the persons who are contesting in election or participating in elections, they are having the minimum qualification like a degree, PG graduates, postgraduates or degrees in various branches, on various groups they are giving. And next one coming to the election campaigning. So nomination of the candidate completed, voter list completed. Now election campaigning. It is nothing but it was given people a chance to choose the desired person, to choose the correct person as his representative, at the same time it used to select the correct government, very good government with better policies, means this how will happen means the campaigning will go, the leaders will come outside, they will come and they will speak into the public regarding their policies and as well as their aims, objectives for the development of the state or development of the nation. They will come and they will discuss. You can see public meetings, lot of meetings from the various parties. They will come and they used to criticize also. Nothing but we can call as the political parties focus on public attention, especially by issues, big issues, lot of issues. Okay, some scam is going on there, some religious variations are showing by the party. There is no government jobs for the youth sector, and there is no employment opportunities for the private sector, in private sector and public sector. Like that they were used to criticize, they were used to say. That's why it is called as a free and open discussion. It is called as a free and open, free. So the person who are public who are going means they will take any money, they won't charge any money. So they will come and they will discuss in the people. When the campaigning will go, when the person were used to, after nomination what will happen, last day they will announce. Okay now, they will announce of the finalist of the candidates. For example, 100 members were given first. In that what will happen means B form. They will go and they will take B form and some members will be withdrawn. Okay now, for suppose I am there, I am representing some party, by some party, some ex party, I am going. Okay, and I and another person, okay, representative me and another person also will come. We will both and we both will go and we will say it is like a duplicate candidate. Okay now, so I am the candidate, original candidate and duplicate candidate. In case anything will happen to me, no, something we cannot say what will happen. So at that time what will happen, that person may get an opportunity. So like this what will happen means after that, okay, if anything will happen, at that time nomination will go, will give means they won't accept. So that purpose what will happen means they will take back, withdrawal will be there. So at last finally 60 members or something will give a final list, will given as a final list of the candidates, and they will announce the date of the polling. They will announce the date of the polling. Before that period what will happen, before the 2 weeks, before the election 2 weeks, they were used to go and they were used to campaign. Okay now, so they were used to say that I am participating in the election, so give me a chance to me. So for that purpose I will develop our areas, I will give a best public amenities like street lights, well drainage system, and will coming to the construction of roads and government policies, constructing of houses, giving of some loans for the farmers. Okay na, like this, credit loans for the farmers. That were various options like they were used to discuss in this election campaigning. So this election campaigning will be addressed for whom means for the political election meetings, for the political leaders election meetings. The political electoral election meetings, nothing but political leaders were addressed towards to the election meeting, and newspapers, televisions also will play a key role regarding for the related the stories and debates also. So see, during election time what will happen means but every newspaper they will say that okay, regarding my polling, they will give some polls also. Okay, this party is going to win, some BJP party is going to win for the next coming election. So we did survey on regarding 10 lakhs people or 5 lakhs people. In this we taken the opinions from the public. So in the survey percentage, for the Congress given 80%, for BJP given 90%, some left front government will given for them 60%. Like this they were used to discuss. Like this televisions also playing a key role during the elections, and at the same time some successful slogans by the different people during the elections also. Different people say. So Indira Gandhi at the time what happened means during the election of 1971, Garibi Hatao. Nothing but she promised that she will remove the poverty in our country. poverty in our country. See, we will say that rich people, poor people. No rich people, no poor people. Below average and above average people will be. The person who cannot afford to purchase the food, shelter, okay, that's is called as below average. The person who is able to purchase, that is known as the above average only. So like this, Indira Gandhi, she came with a policy that is called as Congress Indira Gandhi with a slogan at that time, Garibi Hatao. Garibi Hatao during the election of Lok Sabha in the year of 1971, nothing but removing of poverty. Removing of poverty, like this Indira Gandhi came during the time. And save democracy. Save democracy at that time by the Janata Party. Why? Because national emergency where came. So at that time, what happened means no fundamental rights. So at that time 144 section overall India. So for that purpose, save democracy by the Janata Party, they came with that regarding the excess during over emergency. Everybody want to get restore of his civil liberties. Nothing but everybody will have some liberty. Okay, some freedom will be there. So for that purpose, save democracy whereby the Janata government during the election of 1977. So don't forget, in examination point of view, objective, they will ask you. In NTSC, they will ask you, Garibi Hatao slogan was announced by dash. Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi. During the time of 1971. What is the meaning of Garibi Hatao? Remove poverty. Remove poverty. Like that, save democracy. And protect for the respect of the Telugu people. To protect for the respect of Telugu people in the during period of 1983, N.T. Ramarao, Nandamuri Taramaka Ramarao, he came with a slogan at the time. Lot of, even Narendra Modi also. In 2014, Narendra Modi, Aapki, something they said, Aapki Bar Modi Sarkar. Aapki Bar Modi Sarkar. In front of you, Modi government. In front of you, Modi government. Like that. And Modi came with lot of slogans like Digital India, Made in India, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. So, save girl, educate girl. Like that, various slogans he came by Narendra Modi. So these are the slogans where went into the people to attract the public attention. To attract the public attention by the parties at that time. So they were used to give promise. Okay, now don't forget, Indira Gandhi Garibi Hatao program were held. Garibi Hatao when in the year of 1971. Garibi Hatao is nothing but remove poverty. Remove poverty. So this is the topic. Okay, this is the topic regarding that one. And next one, okay, Indira Gandhi voter list. What is the age of voter list, Nana? 18 years. Okay, by how means? Universal adult families. In NTSC they will ask you. So it was removed by which government? Rajiv Gandhi government during the period of 1888 by the amendment of 61. So at that time age is 21 years. So now 18 years like this. And the person who was participating in election, the age limit is how much? Minimum 25 years. He must be crossed the 25 years. Then only he will be the qualify for the such election. He will qualify for the such election. So next one, in a democracy country, how this election plays a key role. So how the political parties and candidates will conduct the election campaigning and what they want to discuss in the campaigning and how should they want to. They want to conduct the free and fair elections in the competitive of the elections. Okay, na? According to our election commission law. According to our election commission law. Why? Because in our constitution also we mentioned January 25th. And we are celebrating one thing. I forgot starting. I said again. I am saying we are celebrating January 25. We are celebrating January 25 as a National Voters Day. As a National Voters Day. Don't forget, it is important in examination. National Voters Day. Okay, na? National Voters Day. This is important. Starting introduction of the class, I said again. Once I am saying when voter list came now. So when it was said, this is a National Voters Day we will celebrate. So we are coming to here. What happened? Indira Gandhi came with Garibi Hatao. Garibi Hatao. Garibi Hatao introduced by whom, Nana? Indira Gandhi. Who is Indira Gandhi? She is the ex-Prime Minister of India. So what she said, remove of poverty, remove of poverty. So nothing but garibi hatao. So in our country I want to remove poverty totally. She came with a slogan. She came with an slogan. Okay, she came with an slogan, garibi hatao. So like this, what happened means next another one, save democracy. Save democracy. So save democracy by whom, Nana? Means save democracy by whom means Janata Party. By the Janata Party, save democracy in the year of 1977. In the year of 1977 at that time by Janata government. Why? Because here the first Janata government means here what happened means at that time the first non-Congress government were formed. Mojari Desai is the first Prime Minister at that time. Okay, he worked for 2 years. After that, Charan Singh came. So like this, what happened means 1977, the first non-Congress government was formed at that time. So save democracy they came with at that time. So at that time, what happened means excess committed towards to the during emergency period at that time. National emergency was brought by her. So at that time, restoring of the civil liberties. So they came with an restoring of the civil liberties. This where party came. After that, in West Bengal also, what happened means left front one they came with a slogan regarding the land to tiller. Land to tiller they were came at that time during the period of 1977. Where means West Bengal. In West Bengal they were came at that time left one party at that time. At the same time, by the TDP. TDP is nothing but Telugu Desam Party. Telugu Desam Party in 1983, they came with self-respect of Telugu people. Self-respect of the Telugu speaking people at that time. They came with an slogan giving respect towards to the Telugu people. Narendra Modi also different slogans were came during at that time. At that time they came with different move. And democracy live. Democracy lives. Democracy. Well, coming to the in a democracy, what will happen means political parties and candidates. Everybody want to conduct the free. Okay, na? They want to free to conduct their election campaign. And what they want to get fair and as well as equal choice to the compete. Like this, according to Election Commission of Law, already in our constitution on January 25th, 1950, Election Commission also were formed. Okay, na? So according to the Election Commission of Law, every political parties or candidates, okay na, independent candidates, whoever it may be, everybody want to be work, they want to follow the rules of the law. So the political parties or candidates from the independent candidates or political candidates, they must not threaten the voters. They must not want to kill, or they must not want to make them to scared. So they must not do. That is the thing. At the same time, they don't want to appeal. They don't want to appeal regarding he is from different caste or he is from different religion, or he is our caste, he is our religion.